Dapat nauna ka rin eh. Hindi ba pwede? Si Nipsey, nasa kabila si Nipsey ngayon eh.
Ay,
sorry. Sabi ko sa kanya, 50%, 80% na lang.
Next time.
I know. Kailangan healthy ka sa pasa. I know. Dapat yan. Talaga nandun pala siya. Andun, kabila. Binawasan ni Alvin eh. Ni Alvin.
Durf. Paano ka muna? Sa gitna. Good. That's the time. Ano sir? Oh yeah.
Paano ba ito?
Lang, stop. Doon siya, stop. Pause lang.
Stay here. Hold it.
Good take.
Porto, di ba? Porto.
Porto. 4 up. 4-4.
All 4?
Yeah, 4 up. Yeah, 4 up, yeah. 5-4, huh? Yeah, yeah. 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 Yeah.
Ganda yan oh! Pumunta ka na, hindi natin yung stick. Hindi, patay mo tumira. Pasi. Tira!
Hey!
Oh, tumira.
Mic test. Yun! Itong ina, ayos! Nakahawak ng mikropono. Oh. Blue ball, Santis ball. Substitution red. Malakas ba sa ano?
Oh, malakas.
Pakinig ba doon? Pakinig. Okay, oh. Yung putang ina, napakaganda ng boses. And now, the evening, I'm so okay. Santis ball, Hernani, Tejada, pass to Patrick Carigma, dribbling the ball, fires, malamig pa, Mr. Tan Joseph, no count guys, no count. Oh, spaces of the night. Ano pangalan ng...
An. Oo.
Steven fires, no good. Rebound by Peralta, pass to Tejada thinking. Pass to Mr. Dirk Nowitzki. Pass to
Jason.
Pass to Will of fortune. Pass to Dirk. Pass to Tejada. Peralta. No good. Rebound by Steven, naghahanap, nagmamadali. Okay, Steven pass to Mr. Happy birthday to Mr. Steve Bodger. 2 points for you. Tejada. Yeah. Pass to Jason pass to Durf thinking. Screen by, Durf, Jason will is it 2 points by Mr. Salo pala. Rebound by Mr. Joseph Tan. Pass to Mr. Steven, the Ozempic guy. Pass to Patrick.
Sexy.
Pass to Nguyen. Bang.
Macquiao.
Change paper. Change paper na ba? Change paper ba? Ito hindi. Change paper ba? Hindi.
3.
Oh, that's 3.
By a win. We got it, don't worry.
No, we got it. Okay, don't worry. Mr. Patrick Carigma de Jos. Okay. Mr. Mark, are you leaving na, boss? Uy! Foul by Mr. Steven, number 24. Mr. Mark C. Good evening to your wife, Mr. Ann.
Miss Ann naman.
Oh, Miss Ann.
Sabi mo, Mr.
Miss Ann, bye for now. Hindi pa kinig doon siguro. Ayos lang. Makapanood na sa YouTube. You'll think.
Oo, isa lang. Si Aiden. Walang kasama.
First try by Mr. Jason is good.
Ariola for fam.
Second shot is good. Mr. Joseph. Uy!
Balls out. Blue.
Blue ball. Santis ball. Dead ball. 11-11. Oh. Uy!
3 seconds.
Matindi talaga si Tuwan. Iba talaga ang katawan ni Mr. Tuwan. Pass to Mr. Karigma. Still by Mr. Karigma. Karigma. Uy, ang taas. Sub. Oh, sorry, my bad. Alam ko sub. 40 seconds. Deadlock. 11 all. Our last game is Remola X and Ginebra San Miguel. Oops. Stay. They said stay. Official rep say stay. Stay, miles away. Oh, nakakanta pa. Saka kayo makakaharap ng announcer na, singer pa.
6, 5,
4, 3, 2,
1. Time. Count it down, sabi ni Gio. Referee said count. Count it. You got it, Nick?
Tuwan-tuwa si Mr. Kurt Cautivo ay tuwang-tuwa. Ngiting tagumpay.
Puiset.
Maganda ang tulog niya si Kurt ngayon. Huwag mo kakalimutan gumising at mahalaga yon. Basta natulog ka, gumising ka. Okay. Come on, right ball. Back to the ball game, say the official referee. Okay,
13, loose ball.
13 foul, loose ball foul, Mr. Mangali. Patrick, ang ganda niyan. Talagang malamig pa si Boss Patrick. Nakuha ng birthday ball, pinasa kay Nguyen. Bang, bang. Lista na yun, mga idol. Mainit yun, mainit. Change favor again. 3 points. Change favor, 14-13.
Win. Number 11.
Mr. Peralta.
Peralta mid.
Uy. Aba, wala. Good evening to Mr. J.R. Hison. Napakagandang lalaki po niyan. Yun po siya nakikot ngayon. Mr. Nguyen. Binigay kay Mr. Karigma. Time. Mr. Birthday Boy! 2 points!
Happy birthday!
Birthday Boy! Pagkatapos po natin, sa Jerry Screen po tayo, okay? Basta kuha lang ng kuha at bayaran nyo pagkatapos. Mr. Dirk. Mr. Will. JR. Bagong kupe. Buhay pa. Mr. Peralta. Will. Oops. Utak na. Nakuha ni Mr. JR. Pinasa ang Mr. Dirk. Talagang matindi ang mga tagpo. Napakasaya ng ating basketball. Gusto ko ito. Oops. Tumira naman si Idol. Mangali. Napakasaya ng ating basketball. Gusto ko ito. Makinig kayo kay Mr. John Galeron at puputok ng litid. Patay na to. Ay, talagang malamig pa si Mr. Peralta.
Si Mac.
Mr. Mac. Patrick. Moves. Yun. Idol. Walang yan. Matindi yung style na yun. Kick in the air. Mr. Turk. Nagmamadali. Pass to Mr. Will. Mr. Will is at 2 points. And one by Mr. Will Butler. Substitution.
Huh? He fouled?
Tap.
Who's the foul, Gio?
Substitution. Okay, go. Joseph.
Steve. Tito Steve was a foul.
Uy! Jason.
There you go!
Jason. Uy! Mandaki. JR.
They make no.
Durf. JR. Oh. Sayang. White ball. JR harus by 2-1. The muscle man. Dirk, easy 2-point basic. Oops, kumala.
White ball!
White ball. Last pass by Mr. Mandali. Live ball.
Tama. I know. Excited ka siguro.
Foul. Number 24. Mr. Steven.
Dalawa na yun. Three. 4. 4 yun.
Yeah. Kailangan.
Hindi, nag-champion siya kanina eh.
Ano kung time? Okay.
Nag-champion siya
Para
galing.
kanina.
JR. Wheel. Slash. JR.
Bang!
Bang! Galing.
Stop. Sabi na, bilis. No ball, no shot.
Sab. Okay. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. Boy, kanina yung foul? Sa blue? 13, Manggali. Bal, pa-picture ka naman dyan. Bahala ka na. Kung bias, okay lang. Yeah, patay lang.
Boss.
Ask him, he's the stats.
Pang-PPA ito.
Oh, yeah. Yes, Bolger, we should be out. Time out, White. Berman. Pampos yan, pampos. Let's go! Post out!
Blue ball. Blue ball. Mangali. Rebound by Steven. Bring the ball by
Serve.
Steven. Is pass to John. 3 points. Rebound by Steve. Pass to John. Patrick. Mr. Tejada. Rebound by Steven. Steven, come on! Steven, pass to Patrick. Is it? What ball?
50 seconds.
Pagod na ang aming birthday boy. Pagod na ang birthday boy namin. Is it 2 points by Mr. Jason.
Rabaya, 2.
35 seconds, done. Steve. Di ako, nakatapilak pa. Seconds. Bang, bang.
3.
Mr. Steven. Oh, sorry. Roll.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good.
Good. Maraming saksing buhay. Okay, good. Saksing buhay. Ang good pass.
Good shot, Pat. Ang bilis na.
Okay.
Ang bilis na.
Ay, sasayaw. Sasayaw. Pakasiyo. Ay, uwi ka na. Sige. Ay, Magic. Ito.
Third.
Third quarter na, no?
Yep.
Nalaki.
Yeah, blue on the tip. Oh, blue ball.
Low.
Blue on the tip, right?
Low. Baka di ko pala dito.
Yeah. Blue on the tip.
Jay Mangali, 2. Ariola, 2.
Baka si Steven? Walang iya. Parang hindi natanda si Steven eh. Is 54 years old na yun eh. Lakas maglaro. Foul, number 3, Artus.
Artus, foul.
Okay guys, ayaw niyo bang uminom ng tubig ha? Maubos na tubig natin. Salamat sa mga tumatangkid ng ating tubig ha? Meron pa tayong 3 malaki, 3 tubig, 2 maliit. Huwag kayong mahiyang kumuha ha? Kuha lang ng kuha at bayaran mo. Walang yan naman yun! Napakahusay nito. Napakahusay. Magkakanak pa yan ng mga 4 pa. Napakahusay, napakalakas maglaro.
Ganado, yung asawa. Ganado,
ganado. Inspirado eh. Inspirado. Magkakanak pa ng mga 4 pa to. 4 na lalaki sunod nito. Kita mo naman ako. Sorry. Sumala sa idol.
Nabate.
Nabales. Pero, ba? 25 ball. Maganda. Putsang ina. Minama ako sa inang gusto ko match-up po. Si Mr. Tan at si Mr. Badley. Easy 2-point. Basics. Oh, 1 more. Hindi ka pinahiya. Easy 2 points. Uy. Pinado sa harapan.
Uy, travel. Turnover naman daw.
Ay, ang ganda no, Mr.
Macquiao.
Mr. Macquiao. Okay. Mr. Rick Baldi handling the ball.
Si Bal. Si Tien. Trong. Si Mr. T.
Ganda nun. Basic move. Napakagaling talaga ng ating idol, Will Bradley. 3 points na po yan. Malamig pa rin sa 3 points with this idol Patrick natin. 6 minutes guys, 6 minutes. Favored by Santis. Pass to Mr. Will, number 29. Uy, ganda nun. Ganda sana nun kung nakuha. Basic shot by Mr. Walang kumuha oh. Rebound by Mr. Patrick.
What's up, my mates? Carmelo.
Uy, napala. Foul, number 24.
Sub. 3. White 3, foul.
Sorry, number 3. Joseph Tan, foul,
Sub.
number 3.
Sub.
5 minutes.
Substitution. Tan out, Artus out, Mr. Tuan in, and our birthday boy, Mr. Steve Bolger. Later we're going to Jerry's Grill. Order as you can and pay later.
4 gives.
Payments.
Tatlong sisipata.
I know.
Tatlong sisipata. Dalawang tao.
Ay!
Awa siya by Mr. Will. Mamadali ito mga ito. Taas. Patay na dyan. Uy! Uy! Pusang ganda nun! Ang lakas talaga dito. Rebound by Jason. I like the last name, Rabaya. Pass to Mentali! Steven! Okay! Steven pass to... Wow! Easy 2 points na naman ito kay Idol. Mr. Macwin. 30-29. Ano? Ganda yung laban. Di kita, no? Napakaganda yung laban. Mr. Steven. Steven, dribbling the ball. Steven, pinasa kay 2-1. Go, nice hustle guys. Bang bang. Hindi pa talaga makuha ang Steven.
Peralta.
Timeout. White. Timeout White. 32-29. Favor Santis. Ang chaser ng bayan. Santis.
Mag-usap ba kaya? Oh, you're good. You're good, stay. Go, sir.
Oh, buko juice kayo, buko juice. Gate tubig kayo, gate tubig. Gate tubig.
Sino pinalitan mo? Si Manggali?
White ball. Come on, resume the game. Resume. Sayang yun. Bang by
Rabaya,
Mr. Jason Ragaya.
Assisted by Badley.
Talo ang ating Dodgers. My God. Buti lang at nakapagpigil tumaya. 11-4. 2-1. Bang bang.
Arthur, 3. Assisted by Bolger.
3 points, Mr. Artus. Mr. Jan Leon. 35-32. Favor by Santis.
By Bolger.
Sige lang, boss. Gonna sit here for a while. Pass to JR. Pass to Ragaya. Pasok na naman, oh. Rebound by Mr. Tan.
Rebound, Tan.
Rebound by Mr. Tan. 2-1.
Missed by Rabaya, 3.
Lampas ng
Arthur
kalahating
Smith,
buwan.
3. Rebound by Tejada.
1-on-1. Oh,
Foul, Tan.
foul number 3, Joseph Tan. It's the
Teka, after the shot.
Substitution.
Manggali in.
Ragaya.
For Rabaya.
Manggali in.
Rabaya out.
Oh, Rabaya pala. Sorry, guys. Mr. Dirk. Dirk Nowitzki.
To Badez.
Joseph Tan, the son of Mr. Lucitan, the owner of PAL. Uy, easy to po. "24 seconds. 20. Uy, ang ganda nun.
Badly,
Ilang niya
two.
yun. Hindi na nirespeto may birthday. 38,
10,
32.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time.
Okay guys, end of third quarter. Okay. Okay, pasok po yung manghihingi. May manghihingi po. Sandali lang ha. Pasok dyan at may manghihingi.
First aid kit. White ball. Yan. Hawak mo. Yan. Sa gitna.
Last quarter. Steve.
Rabaya, rebound. Bolger, miss. Pinihit mo yun, ha? Pinihit mo yun, ha?
Foul, number
12.
Number 12, Steve
Bolger. Birthday boy.
Walter.
How many fouls, Steve?
2 fouls pa lang.
Yari, si ano? Kelly.
Badly, 1.
Buddy, 1 point. Another one. Nice shoes, nice kicks, man.
Nasa sapatos yun, eh. Badly, miss.
Ito mo naman sila, lobo-lobo. Hat-trick. Mr. Karigma. Ang anim eh. Foul, number 24. It's fourth personal foul, number 24. Dirk. Pare-pareho pa ito mga nila sa batos. Kaya pala magaling. Rabaya. Dirk. Number 7. Ginagamit na pinagbabawal na technique. Rabaya. Dirk. Will. Tejada!
Bang! 2 points. Tejada.
Mr. Tejada. Macwen. Still by Peralta to Badly to Rabaya. In basket. Rabaya. Badly. Tejada. Oh.
Turnover, Badly.
Gusto ko yun. The intention is good. Steve.
Bolger, 2.
Border, 2 points.
Assisted by Tan.
Rabaya,
3, miss. Bolger, rebound.
Oops, naagaw. Foul,
Foul,
number 2.
Peralta.
Loose ball, number 2. Peralta. retrieving the ball. Ganda ng pasaw.
Bulger,
Wow, Mr. Bertie Boy.
Foul number 7.
Number 7 foul. And one by Mr. Bulger.
One shot.
Sakit ng paa nito eh.
Miss. Rebound. Peralta.
Sakit ng paa niya, no, Steve? Uy!
Turnover. Tejada.
Turnover, Tejada. Score, 43-36. Favor, Sankis. 7 points. Nguyen. Bang, bang.
Mac. Win.
Mac Nguyen, 3 points.
3. Yeah. 2 timeouts.
43-39. Up by 4 points. Peralta.
Peralta.
Rebound
Miss.
by Mr. Tan.
Tan. Rebound. You tell the ref. Tell the ref.
Time out, ref.
Yeah. When you get the ball. Subadeza, 2, assist by Tejada.
Dirk, 2 points. Classic miss.
Miss, Karigma. Rebound by Tejada.
45-39.
Tabe.
Time out! Sankis! Kaya tumimeout si Mr. Balaso.
Sabi sa'yo eh.
Laman sila. 45-39.
Hakbang naman ni Durban, ginawa.
Say cheese.
Puta na.
Lagi yung ganon. Abangan mo yun. Lagi yung ganon. Let's go! 5 minutes.
Back
May
to
stop ba
ball
kayo?
game.
May stop? Wala.
Sankis
Same.
versus
Same.
Spearman.
Tan.
90s
Pam.
team.
Sit down.
Oh, yung gusto mo mga Gcash, mga mag-Gcash dyan, ha? Huwag kayong mahiya. Mag-donate lang kayo. But better with cash. Macwen.
Talubong.
Uy. Uy! Lakas ni Steven, oh. Foul, number
Badly.
29. Badly. Mr. Badly. Mr. Bad. I'm gonna spank you.
Nice.
Let's go!
Miss.
Sayang ang pagka-sexy.
I know. One more time.
Come on! Bulger, assist
Bulger,
by
assist
Ariola.
by Ariola. 45-41. Apat. 4 minutes. Maganda. Gumanda pa ang laro. Magandang mga laro. Nako, ginagamit na. Palitang halaga. Ginagamit na, oh. Ginagamit na. Yan na. Rabaya. Patay. Check. Buti sana yun. Substitution. Patrick out. 2-1, number 43. Oh, di pala. Sorry, guys. Normally,
Artus out.
Artus out. Mr. 43, Pan. 2-1, Pan. Pan.
Bradley, 2.
Badly, 2 points. Uy.
Steal by Rabaya.
Aba. Putang ina, lakas na ganun pa.
Steal by Fam.
Iba talaga. Timeout, Beerman. Timeout, Beerman. Mahusay talaga siya, no? Lakas mag... Ano ba?
Boy. Boy.
White. Last time out, White.
Gio.
Okay, resume. Resume. White ball. 2 minutes, 49 seconds. Up by 6.
Advance,
Thank you.
advance.
Meet them, meet. Nice. Okay. Easy, guys. Easy.
Rabaya. Peralta. Badly. Bang. Oh,
Miss.
Questo. Uy, putak na. Sakit nun. Ano kayo? Nakagulat din ako eh. Foul, number 2.
May tap na pag 2 minutes. Ay, pag 2 minutes, tap ball.
Naku.
Ewan. Tawid mo.
Shot clock.
Shot clock. Okay. 10 seconds, shot clock.
9, 8,
8 seconds.
7,
6. 3.
2. Time. Good shot.
Ano naman?
Clock reset. 25.
Shot clock, reset.
I got it. Miss.
Reset.
15 seconds shot clock. And one by Mr. Dirk Nowitzki.
Karigma. Foul.
1 minute, okay.
Did you count that?
Rebound by Mr. 2-1 count. Ganda no? Paano lang? 48 seconds.
Bonus.
1-1, bonus shot.
Diskartehan. Naprotektahan.
Who was the foul? Patrick? 8. Yeah, bonus. Rabaya. Miss.
Yung nakagaw pa.
Get the ball.
3 3 points by Mr. Mac Nguyen. 51-43. 10 seconds. 43 foul. Pan. 1-1. 1-1, Mr. Hernani Tejada in the line. No, gagal tayo shooting. First shot is good.
Time out, Blue. No mercy. I know. Si Val yun, si Val. No sportsmanship.
Hindi makahapon.
One more shot. One more. No, he made it. 1-1. He made it.
Win. Baba ka na.
Worker. Tejada miss. Rebound Tan. Mac 3.
3 points by Mr. Mac Nguyen.
Game.
52-47. Ayun.
Tek yun, tek.
Tayo.
Wala na tayo.
Tayo. Alright guys. Picture. Si Val lang player of the game. Si player of the game. Si Peralta. O, magkita kita tayo sa Jerry's Grill, ha? Order lang kayong order.